Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back to the 2004 Toyota Sequoia. And today we're going to be installing some pre-cut window tint for the driver and passenger front windows. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we are in the back of the Sequoia, looking at everything we need here to install your pre-cut window tint. We're looking at a Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, plastic trim removal tool, Armor All auto glass, some soapy water, clean microfiber rags, and a squeegee out of a Gilla window tint kit. I'll put a link in the description for a lot of the items that are found here. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take off this door panel here. We will have to take this handle bezel off by just removing this cap and a Phillips screw. We'll use our plastic pry tool to remove this window selector. And we will have to remove this cover. There will be another screw in here. This does not have it, but there would be a clip here and here, and then we should just be able to pry the door off. Right, there will be another clip here as well. We will have to go and remove this top clip, and there should be a screw underneath. We can also go ahead and we can remove the speaker cover up top, just like that. Alright, we'll go ahead and just pop this little plastic cover off right here. Oh, look, it's already dry rot, kind of broken. That's to be expected. Nope, we got it off. Let's go ahead and get that Phillips screw out. Right, next we'll go ahead and we'll pry right here and right here. There's two metal clips, one here and one here. So go ahead. Alright, just get your plastic pry tool under here like this. Takes a little bit of effort. It looks good. Just go ahead and take it out. Or take the locks and the window control off right here. Just go ahead and press this tab right here. You'll be able to pull this connector out. Connector should come out. In order to get this door handle bezel out, right above here, there will be a clip. Just like so. Be able to get the top out. And there'll be a clip here for the bottom. Bezel should come out just like that. There's the inner pull handle for the door. So if we come over here, just take our flat screwdriver, pop this cap out. Go ahead and remove the screw. Alright, looks like the last connection for this door is the little light down here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and remove this door panel. I can start up here, kind of slide my plastic trim removal tool down here towards the bottom. Oh, look at that, dry rotted door speakers. Gotta love it. Just go ahead, just give this a nice pull to release all the clips. And the door panel should be ready to come off. And there is our electrical connector down there. We'll go ahead and just remove the clip. Alright, now that we got all the glass clean, we're going to go ahead and roll the window almost all the way to the top of the door frame. Just leave a little bit so we're able to apply the top of the window tint film. Right, this is about how much we got at the top here. So we're able to squeegee the water out of the top of the window tint film. Right, let's go ahead and unroll our pre-cut window tint. Alright, we have the driver piece of window tint here. We're going to go ahead. We're going to follow these instructions here to get the liner, to get the outside border of the window tint off. So we'll go ahead and just grab a razor blade, cut from the window tint to the outer edge, and we'll just go ahead and peel the perimeter off of it. Alright, we cut a little piece here. We're going to go ahead and just peel the border of the tint all the way off. Now that we got the perimeter, the extra window tint off, all we have left is our template right here for the driver's side. This is what we're going to do. If you go back and just peel this back, the other side of this is the adhesive part, so that's what's going to stick to your window. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to spray this all down. Once we lift up the back side of this window tint here, we're going to go ahead and spray everything down. We're going to spray everything down here on the front as well with the soapy water. This is going to be a really quick process. You're going to get everything wet here. Going to get the back side wet, and then we're going to go get the driver window wet, and we're just going to get everything nice and soapy water, nice and wet. And then we're going to go over there, we're going to apply the top of it, and we're going to start to line it up, and then we'll start squeegeeing the bubbles out of it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and spray this window down with the soap and water. Like I said, this is going to be the really fast process where we go from spraying the window tint to spraying the window and adhering it, getting everything lined up on the top, and then we'll start squeegeeing the air out. Right, with everything nice and soapy on here, we're able to adjust this the way that we want it. So go ahead, leave a nice even gap up top. Just push the window tint down into place. Grab that squeegee and go ahead and push it into the channel. Just make sure you keep it nice and soapy water on there. Got all the bubbles out. Next we're going to go ahead, we're going to roll the window up all the way so we can squeegee the rest of the window tint down by this channel. You can see down here we still have some air bubbles and water trapped in here, so we'll go ahead and we'll just apply our soapy water and we'll just squeegee all that out down here at the bottom. Let's repeat the process for the passenger side. Let's go ahead and get this door panel taken off. Got the door panel all taken off. Let's go ahead and get the window all cleaned. Alright, we got the window tint on. We're going to go ahead and roll the window up all the way so we can get the last little section down here at the bottom all squeegeed out. We got the window tint done on both sides. We want to go ahead and just throw the door panels back on the driver and passenger side. Here's the driver's side with the pre-cut window tint installed. Looking good. Here's what the passenger window looks like with that pre-cut window tint. Window tint's looking good. The new seats we installed are looking good. WeatherTech floor mats for the driver, passenger, middle seats, in the rear cargo area. Alright you guys, hope you enjoyed this video of installing the pre-cut window tint on the 2004 Toyota Sequoia. And as always, Monday to 6, out.